Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and account. Sign into the Google account you'll use and enable two-step verification for safety. Once done, install Google Photos and Google One, then open Photos and allow backup permissions. Make sure mobile data backup is set to your preference. Wi-Fi only saves data, while cellular backs up immediately. You do this now so uploads won't stall. Finally, check Pixel model and software updates. Some unlimited offers depend on device eligibility. Next, enable and configure the backup in Google Photos. Go to Photos settings, tap Backup and Sync and turn it on. This starts uploads. Then choose the upload quality. Select Original if your Pixel plan or promotion grants unlimited original quality backups, otherwise choose High Quality to save space. Once chosen, enable backup device folders so screenshots and messaging images are included. Make sure battery and data settings allow background activity. Otherwise, large uploads will pause until you charge. To finish, verify backups and manage storage. Open Google One to confirm your unlimited status or check the current quota, and open Photos to ensure recent items show as backed up. If uploads stall, force a manual backup with Photos' right arrow backup now, and make sure the phone has sufficient battery and connectivity. If problems continue, sign out and back into your Google account, update Google Photos and Google One, or clear the Photos app cache. This usually resolves sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.